Hello, welcome back to Study Time. My name is Sai, and as always, thanks for watching our videos. For this experiment, you will need water, 2 lemons, which is one with skin and one peeled off skin, like literally. So now we have to get to the experiment. So now first we're going to put this lemon in. Now that we put the lemon in, you can see that it's floating. Now we're going to put this in. Let's see what happens to this. So as you can see, it sinks. The reason why this floats and this sinks is because of the skin itself. The skin holds the porous. The porous holds a lot of air bubbles. The air bubbles make it very light, the lemon light, and easier to float. However, this has no porous because the skin is removed, and thus it sinks. It has no air bubbles to support it to go up, and that's exactly where it ends up. So now we're going to put this lemon peel inside here. Now you might be wondering, why is that? Well, as I mentioned earlier, all the air bubbles are in the porous, and because of that, this thing floats. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe.